Hi guys, how are you doing today? Happy Christmas, and I hope you are enjoying your holidays. And basically, I just want to wish you Happy New Year and Happy Christmas to everybody. And today I was thinking, guys, what could be better than to open a new perfume? Like, everybody knows this perfume, whoever is interested in Arabic, Middle Eastern fragrances, guys. And I was thinking, guys, I already have this black bottle, Opulent Wood, and this one I always wanted to try it on, but I never had a chance to get it, because depending on if you could buy it or not. Let's unbox this perfume, guys. It's by Lattafa Perfume, Lattafa Opulent Mood. No, sorry, it's Opulent Musk is the name of this particular perfume. So the box would be, kind of looking like this, and I will unwrap it right now, guys. And so it says, guys, that this perfume is woody, musky, and it says citrusy, powdery, white, floral. Basically, it says everything, aromatic, fresh, everything it says on Fragrantica. We can, guys, continue. 1 second, continue, unwrapping right now. Let's see. So velvet type of box, and very beautiful. Everything is super beautiful, very like luxurious looking. Everything. Let's open it. It's gonna be a beautiful looking white bottle, guys, that everybody wants to have in their collection. That's all what I know. So as you can see, it's looking like that, guys. And so that's, guys, that would be, guys, the results. This would be the bottle. It's looking kind of elegant and fresh, isn't it? Looking really like, guys, elegant and fresh, this particular bottle. Let's have a look. Like just guys, to have it in your collection, like, couldn't be anything better. Like, it's like really looking royal, royal fragrance, really royal fragrance, guys. Now, guys, before we go into the what is the smell, I just have to read it for you, guys. So, guys, Opulent Musk Amber fragrance for women. I actually really like this idea that it says it's amber, and then was launched in 2019, so it's not new. White musk, top notes, and saffron, lemon. Middle notes are white flowers, jasmine. Base notes are white musk and cedar, and amber raisin, or I don't know how to pronounce it, and maybe just like, let's say, let's see what else do they say, guys. Let's see, like, it's very interesting to see what other people, guys, says. Okay, let's see, guys. So let's say one person says this is Baccarat Rouge 40, make it less sweet, whatever, like my favorite. Basically, this one, they say it's the favorite from this person, Opulent line. And then many people mention about Baccarat Rouge, and then Opulent Musk has all the white musk. Must be the prettiest of all time, of all fragrances. Sweet musky scent with ambroxan. Wow, it says ambroxan too. It's good. They say it's good, guys, this perfume. So basically, my first Baccarat Rouge type of dupe that I have is Anna Beat Rouge, and I really like it. So this one, is supposed to be kind of, like slightly similar, but in a different way. So, guys, like, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna spray it right now. Let's see what else do they say. It says like Baccarat Rouge dupe, but without sugar sweetness. Like, it doesn't really matter. Let's just give it a go. Ooh, I feel that type of, when you smell like Anna Beat Rouge, that type of smell, like, probably that, like, seems like Baccarat Rouge. It's really likely that it can have Baccarat Rouge, guys. Some people say it's too strong for them, this one. I don't know, guys. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Oh, guys. Guys, I didn't expect that first smell will be that similar to Ana Abiath Rouge, which is similar to Baccarat Rouge. I didn't expect that. So probably, yeah, like exactly like they say, there is sweetness, but not as much. But definitely there is some sweetness, you know. So, oh my God, it will be very difficult to find the difference now. But I think if you compare, let's say, Ana Biath with this one, so what would be the difference? It will be very difficult to identify. It will take some time, guys. Whew, so I think, so imagine like Ana Abiath Rouge mixed with Opulent Oud, you know, the black bottle of Opulent Oud. So that's how I would imagine. This particular sniff that I have here, I didn't enjoy actually. Guys, like basically black Opulent Oud mixed with Ana Abiath Rouge. Like at this particular moment, I think that Ana Abiath Rouge is better. But, you know, it takes time always to get to know fragrance. You know, it really takes time. To be honest, if I would be honest with you, my first impression, I thought it might be better than what it is. If I would have never tried Ana Abiath Rouge, you know, I would be impressed more with this perfume, but at the moment, you know, I think I'm more impressed with Ana Abiath Rouge. Not really liking this particular sniff. It feels like this, you know, a little bit like Sheikh Al Sujuk, you know, type of part comes out. That sweetness faded away now, which was quite pleasant, you know. That sweetness, that little bit of sweetness that was there, you know, is now fading away. So right now, not enjoying that much, but guys, I think I will take my time as much as I can to figure it out. There is this part of, you know, Opulent Oud coming through, but a milder version of Opulent Oud. So guys, like really guys, at this particular moment, I would prefer Ana Abiath Rouge, which I already have. So let's see what else, guys. Let's see what else people say. So there is, like they say, other people say there is some Baccarat Rouge DNA with Arabian twist. Affordable, so we all know that it's affordable, guys. Let's see. The opening is not the best, but the scented settles down. Actually, to me, like, opening was better than what settled down. There's this type of plasticky type of woody thing there that I'm not really into. But there are so many perfumes, guys, that I wasn't sure at the beginning, and then after, within time, I just got really into it. So I really leave that space for the perfume, you know, to show its own worth, you know. So you have to really like take time to like this perfume. You know, oh my God, like, I'm not sure, guys. Like, let's see what will happen. The opening is not the best. People say, you know what else? Just got it, whatever. It says, it smells burnt resin, pure innocent. You know, like this particular person says, that person is not into it. Like it says, like it feels like a burnt resin. There is something unpleasant in it too, you know. But there is something pleasant in it. Really, it takes time, guys. It will take time. Like right now, I wouldn't be able to say, like, if person would pass by near you, like with this perfume, would I really like it? Maybe yes, maybe no. I feel some kind of musk there too. Like Ana Abiath Rouge, it felt a bit more pleasant to me than this one at this particular point. So guys, I will wish you to have a beautiful day. Wait for my future, results with this particular fragrance, because the future, guys, will tell everything. And I will say to you, bye bye guys, and I wish you to have beautiful perfumes in your everyday life, and I will come back to you soon with more updates. Have a beautiful day. Bye.